Master your pH meter qualification and analytical chemistry workflow with this guide. Today, we're covering the standard operating procedure, SOP, for pH meter calibration, instrument validation, and GLP to ensure your laboratory quality control is audit ready. Let's dive in. This process is vital for providing the reliable and highly accurate measurements required for the rigorous demands of high-standard laboratory work and scientific integrity. Accurate pH readings serve as the fundamental backbone of modern laboratory research and complex industrial processing. By developing a deep understanding of the pH scale, which spans from highly acidic substances like stomach acid, vinegar, and lemon to alkaline ones like baking soda, bleach, and drain cleaner, we can better manage chemical behaviors and effectively guide our agenda for professional instrument qualification. A pH meter is a sophisticated electronic device designed specifically to measure the hydrogen ion activity in a solution, indicating its acidity or alkalinity. It relies on a synergy of key components, including a specialized glass electrode, a stable reference electrode, and a clear digital display, all working together to provide the essential data necessary for a wide range of scientific applications. Achieving a proper setup is the very first and most important step toward obtaining consistent, repeatable results. Every part of the essential instrument, which primarily consists of the sensing probe and the meter unit, must be prepared and connected correctly. This careful preparation ensures the long-term accuracy and reliability of your scientific measurements and overall experimental success. Qualification is far more than a simple administrative formality, it is a commitment to precision and regulatory compliance. By formally qualifying your meter, you guarantee strict adherence to industry standards and avoid the risk of costly errors. These errors could otherwise compromise your research outcomes, damage your professional reputation, and undermine the total integrity of your collected data. The principle of operation centers entirely on the interaction of the electrodes. The glass electrode is designed to respond dynamically to changes in hydrogen ion concentration, while the reference electrode maintains a constant, stable voltage. Together, these components ensure that the meter can provide precise and linear readings throughout the entire measurement process, from start to finish. Deepening our technical analysis, we see that the glass electrode responds with high specificity to hydrogen ion activity in the sample. This chemical response works in perfect tandem with the reference electrode's stable electrical point to ensure reliable measurements. This stability is required to maintain accuracy across a wide variety of testing conditions and different sample types. A complete and functional system includes more than just the meter. It requires the electrodes, a meter unit to interpret electronic signals, and high-quality calibration buffers. You must not overlook the importance of using quality cables and secure connectors, which facilitate the clear, noise-free communication required between all these essential parts for a successful measurement. Qualification follows a strict, logical path: installation qualification to confirm the physical delivery and condition, operational qualification to check all internal functions, and performance qualification to measure known samples under real conditions. Finally, a series of verification steps are performed to confirm the overall success, precision, and readiness of the entire system. During the installation qualification, or IQ phase, we formally confirm the equipment's physical condition and delivery status. We also verify that the laboratory environment is fully suitable regarding ambient temperature and humidity levels. Furthermore, we ensure that all technical manuals and required documentation are complete, organized, and readily available for the end users. Operational qualification, known as OQ, involves a series of functional checks to ensure the meter and electrodes perform exactly as intended by the manufacturer. Using certified, standard buffers for calibration is absolutely crucial during this stage to verify the meter's electronic stability and its response time when subjected to varying chemical conditions in the lab. In the performance qualification, or PQ stage, we measure specific samples with known pH values to test the meter's accuracy in real-world scenarios. By repeating these measurements multiple times, we can confirm the precision of the device. Documenting these specific results ensures full compliance with laboratory quality standards and provides a clear audit that allow your meter to translate electrical signals into pH values. Whether you are using a simple single-point or a more complex multi-point calibration, you must ensure the chemical quality of your buffers. Additionally, always account for temperature variations to maintain the longevity and accuracy of the instrument. Follow a systematic, step-by-step approach for every calibration. First, carefully rinse the electrode with distilled water to prevent cross-contamination. Immerse the probe in the first buffer and adjust the meter reading accordingly. Then, repeat this process with additional buffers to confirm the electrode's slope and offset values, ensuring linear accuracy across the scale. After the calibration is complete, always measure a standard buffer to verify the final precision of the system. This step allows you to check for any immediate measurement drift and document your findings for the record. This practice safeguards your work against hidden inaccuracies and maintains the long-term reliability of all your future pH measurements. It is important to avoid common pitfalls such as using expired buffers or failing to rinse electrodes properly, which inevitably lead to sample contamination. Additionally, ignoring the effects of temperature compensation or failing to document each step of your process will result in significant measurement errors that can invalidate your entire set of experimental results. Regular maintenance is vital for the continued health of your equipment. You should clean your electrodes frequently to remove any chemical residues, store them in the correct storage solutions to maintain membrane moisture, and proactively replace old or damaged electrodes. These simple steps ensure your meter always functions at its peak performance level. Early identification of technical issues, such as unstable digital readings or significant calibration drift, allows for quick and effective corrective actions. Troubleshooting effectively and promptly ensures that your laboratory measurements remain consistent over time. This proactive approach keeps your processes on track and prevents the loss of valuable samples due to equipment failure. Thorough and organized records are the absolute key to achieving scientific traceability. By diligently maintaining calibration logs, qualification reports, and detailed maintenance records, you ensure your laboratory stays in compliance with international industry standards. This level of detail supports continuous improvement in your laboratory's overall measurement accuracy and the reliability of its data. Adhering to recognized standards, such as ISO 17025 and specific FDA guidelines, is crucial for achieving regulatory and commercial success. These international benchmarks ensure that your pH measurements are both accurate and globally consistent. Such consistency is essential for maintaining quality control across various fields, including pharmaceuticals, food safety, and environmental testing. Build a robust and dependable quality control system by implementing routine recalibration schedules and using certified control samples daily. Training your personnel is equally important to the process. A knowledgeable and well-trained team can handle sensitive pH measurements with a high degree of confidence, skill, and attention to the necessary technical details. In a real-world case study, we see how adhering to these detailed protocols successfully solved common challenges like electrode wear and inconsistent readings. By applying this systematic approach to qualification and maintenance, the laboratory significantly enhanced its data accuracy. This led to improved productivity and more reliable experimental outcomes across all of their research departments. Calibration needs will naturally change over time based on the frequency of use. While daily checks significantly enhance day-to-day accuracy, weekly recalibrations are often sufficient to ensure long-term reliability. By looking ahead to 2025, regular monthly reviews can help prevent cumulative errors, though the specific intensity of your lab's use will always dictate your needs. Manual calibration offers the operator hands-on control over every step, while modern automatic systems streamline the entire process to minimize the risk of human error. Both methods aim for the same goal of measurement reliability. However, automatic systems are often much more efficient for high-throughput laboratory environments where many samples are processed daily. To summarize the key points, IQ, OQ, and PQ are the three essential stages of a professional qualification program. When combined with regular calibration and ongoing maintenance, these steps prevent measurement drift. This ensures that your equipment remains a reliable, high-precision tool that is ready for even the most accurate and demanding scientific experiments.